Acne or pimple is a very common problem both in male and female. It can happen in any age group, though it is more common in adolescence. There are 4 factors that contribute to the acne. First is increased sebum production or oil production. Because of the adolescence, when body will start secreting hormones, or in females those who have underlying hormonal imbalance like PCOS, so that leads to increased production of androgen, and this androgen stimulates the oil gland that leads to overproduction of the oil. When the oil production increases, so because of the constant secretion, sometimes it gets clogged, and that leads to accumulation of the sebum or oil, and that acts as a media for the overgrowth of the bacteria that is known as Corynebacterium or Propionibacterium acne. Other factors is sometimes the lining of the oil gland that is known as the pilosebaceous unit that become more thicker, and that lead to clogging of the pores. All these factors ultimately lead to inflammation, and as a result of this you may start developing, initially because of the clogging you will start developing blackheads and whiteheads, and as the inflammation sets in, that leads to papules, and when there will be infection, that leads to pustules. If we will not treat this condition, that will progress to more severe form, that is nodules, and sometimes lead to cystic lesions. So these are all various type of acne. Identifying the stages is helpful to treat this condition, though it is common in certain age group, but there are certain factors like some people have family history, and especially in the male they have more chances of developing scarring. So treating the acne in a right time with the proper way. Acne is complex, however understanding the cause and types is the first step towards clear skin. If you are suffering from persistent stubborn acne, then it's time to consult a dermatologist. Seeking a professional help and timely intervention helps in preventing any form of scars or any sequelae secondary to acne, and that leads to a healthy and confident skin.